butterfly? Butterfly, yes. Butterfly, no. Butterfly, yes. Butterfly, no. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are well. Today I am so excited because this video is part of my series Antonio and Friends, which I do collaboration with other YouTube creators, amazing crafters, because I do believe in videos that you do with other amazing talented people, to introduce you guys new creators that not necessarily have the same style as me, but also because I believe in sharing different talents, and also you take inspiration from all different people. So I do love my series. So today I am pleased to introduce you all, in case you don't know already, it's the lovely Jenifer, and a YouTube channel and Instagram and Facebook is called A Trace of Glitter, and I'll put all the links, you find them in the description down below. So if you open the bio, you see all Jenifer's links. She's got an amazing YouTube channel and a very active Instagram account as well. So we've been chatting, and I kindly invited to do this video with me because I really love the style, and I really want to see what she comes up with this theme. She picked a theme, so the theme of the video is a vintage postcard with the Valentine's theme, like a love theme, ready for Valentine's. Now, very challenging for me because, as you guys know, I love to like sweet girlies thing, mostly because I've got a husband, I haven't got a wife, so it's kind of like and also it's not really my sort of style, but this is what I mean exactly. Like, it's how happily you challenge each other to create something that is out of your comfort zone, and I love this sort of video. So I got bits and bobs on my desk. This is literally all my love, like heart Valentine's theme, and I put it all together into cages. And one of my this year resolution list is to sort them out, because I've got the magnetic sheet, so I want to do a magnetic sheet there and put them in there, and also print the cover, so when it sits on my desk on the DVD rack, I can see from there rather than have to pull all one by one, which is very time consuming. So let me see what I prepared already. So this is a piece of craft cardstock. Again, because it's vintage, I want everything to be quite rustic, quite vintagey, and I have used this is where it is here. This is from Everyday Journaling by Helen Colebrook. I bought it from Craft Stash. I've got it for a very long time ago. So what I did, I simply put them in there excuse me, and then with my finger sponge and my black distressing, I just stencil it over so you get this effect. And what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to cut it. But what I want to do, I'm going to leave it like a border around the postcard. Not measure anything, just cut it like that. And then if it's not straight, it's not straight. I got black ink everywhere, so apologies. It's on my nails, it's on my fingers. But thank you for that. So right, so that's the back of the postcard, which I'm not sure what I'm going to do, if I'm going to do anything with it. So that can go somewhere else, stay in there. Right, so on here, I've got this vintage, I think it's from The Works, part of the 12 by 12 paper pad for Christmas theme. And on the back of this, you've got this really nice wood effect, which I really loved. And I thought we can do something with it. Now I cut it, I don't know where it's got, oh, it's here. So I have used, and apologies guys, I have no idea where this is coming from. I die cut this, which give me a really nice frame, but also give me a really nice inner piece, which is this little heart with the scallops. So I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to use both, or I love this as well. I love the window. So I quite like that as well. But the only thing is, it's slightly bigger, and I think it would have been nicer if it was slightly smaller. So I might leave this, but I'm not going to bin it. I'm going to leave it in my little scrap box. So we're definitely going to play with those two. But before we do anything, I've got these I got this for a very long time and I never used them, so I thought today is the time to play with those. They are stencil, the circular stencil. Got this from Amazon a long time ago, so I'm definitely going to play with something. I wanted something to give me a background as a starting point. I don't want anything too sweet, if it makes sense, to like get screams love, because I do like that as well actually. That's probably less busy as a background, but then it's going to be a lot of dark, which I don't want, so I'm definitely going to use that. Yeah, I have them for a long time and I never used them, so I'll leave them in there so I can put it back, because otherwise it's going to rustle and then you're going to get an awful noise. Because I noticed on camera, any plastic surface, anything, the sound is very amplified, so I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do really, really subtly, I'm going to create a background with these lovely flowers. I don't want to get the round, so probably going to do that, but I'm not going to be very neat and I'm going to be very quick, because I only want a very subtle background. So really I'm using under sponge, and this is distressing the walnut stain, and then simply very, very lightly, so not really putting a lot of pressure. I'm just gonna get these lovely flower shapes in there. And then as you can see, because this stencil has got a lot of bigger space, it's gonna leave me a lot of gaps, which are perfect, because I just want these, I just want this to be a very settled background, because it's gonna be covered with images which I cut it in there. I'm not sure how I'm going to use them yet. So as I'm doing this, I'm kind of like planning the next step, which I got a bit of it's kind of like freezing at the minute, because I have no clue what I can do. But again, that's going back to the introduction, is, oh no, it moved. I don't think it matters, but that's what I like, this sort of videos collaboration, because you ended up creating something that you would never ever dreamed to create it on your own. And don't like that gap, so we're probably gonna get some more. Oh, that's nice, a flower there. So if I get that there, as you can see guys, it's very, very subtle. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so that needs to be wiped, cleaned. Lid there, close that. So going back, so it's not very straight, is it? Could have done a better job. It's rectified. That's a bit better. So right, that's the base. Oh god, got ink. What we're going to do, I've got these. This from my stash is a digital kit from Lorna. Tailor-made journals. I have them for a very long time, so I really want to use them. I don't know which one. So because I've got lots of flowers, I definitely want to use the birds, just like that. But I don't know if I'm going to. I do like that. But also definitely want to use the heart, the frame here. So unless we do the cage in the heart like that, so it looks like it's suspended there. Yeah, I quite like that. So I'm gonna do that. And then there is a butterfly as well. I got it from my stash. So she can go on top of that. Doesn't need anything else. I'm thinking if there is a sentiment I want to use. Selector, that's for friends. Happy Valentine's Day. Roses are red, violets. This is what I mean. I'm clumsy. I am getting ink everywhere. Love from my heart to yours. I might get that. So gonna get that into a little stamping block. Can I use the, so let's pretend, so let's say that got that there. There? Yeah. Right. Now this is new, it's never been used, so I need to be quite off with that. Yeah, it's all right. But what I want to do, where is it? Am I going to use this stamp here? Or actually, I'm not sure if that's better than that, but this is quite, yeah, in fact, where is it? Let's get this in there. It's slightly smaller. Shall I get, let's get a bigger block. Because what I want to do, I'm going to get all the edges of the postcards with the this stamps here, so it looks like it's been sewn. Sorry if you get my hair on camera. Yeah, let's go with the flow. Yeah, that's really nice actually. Better than I thought. Right, glue, 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 Mod Podge, brush. So let's start, and I think we need to do the cages first, but we need to kind of like measure it there. So if I keep the heart in there, and then I get the cage first. So that, and I'm gonna make sure it says on top. So we're gonna put up a butterfly anyway, so, and then I'm gonna put a bit of glue on the frame. Yeah, don't worry if it's, because the Mod Podge dries clear, so I'm not in any shape or form concerned about the glue. That will leave inks everywhere, but never mind, guys, never mind. Right, do we need a butterfly? Butterfly, yes. Butterfly, no. Butterfly, yes. Butterfly, no. I don't know, because there's a lot of flying things. There's already birds. What am I going to do? What about if we put a little... What about... Bear with me. I just had this red ribbon on my desk that's coming from Christmas present. I need to tidy up my craft room, the room today, because I got a lot of things on the floor. Christmas present, Christmas cards that we not used. So I need to get me sorted. Yeah, I think it's quite cute. Done. So it's still just cleaning. So the surface is wet, so it's very shiny because I'm just cleaning it with my wipe. Right, I think it's done. Still a bit wet, but it will dry fairly quickly. What I did, guys, with my pen, I went over the stamp and also just finish off the stitching lines. It is totally made up. And I put some more hearts in there just to give a more finished look. And of course the back is plain, which I'm going to leave it plain because I'm just going to put a message from Jamie to give it to Valentine's. So it's kind of like an alternative to a Valentine's Day card. So, and what I'm going to do, actually, I'm really enjoying making this. And what I'm going to do, I might do another video when I make like a batch of postcards. And I'm going to actually ship them like as simply as a postcard to my crafty friends, just for a little for like a happy mail, just for to say I'm thinking about you, just as a little postcard. And yeah, you just simply put a stamp there and off you go. I think it's really pretty idea. So yeah, I think in the next couple of weeks I'm gonna do a batch of postcards. Gonna make some collage. I thought I might do some collage papers, and then just literally trim it to sizes, stencil the back, and then yeah, put some stamps and off you go. So yeah, right guys, I really hope you like this project. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, because that will support the channel. And please go over to Jenifer. I will put her YouTube channel on Instagram and Facebook. I'll put all her links down below. She's a wonderful, wonderful, sweet human being. So please give her some love and support, and tell her that I have sent you there. Okay, right guys, thank you ever so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe and well.